Organizing your home can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. All you need are a few simple tricks. With the right strategies and tools, you can make the process of organizing your home easy and enjoyable. Welcome to Jansen's DIY. In this video, we will talk about 20 super easy tips for home organizing. 1. Analyze your space. Before jumping into the process of organizing, take some time to assess your space. Which items do you want to store in each room? How much space do you have to work with? What are your storage needs? Taking an inventory of the types and number of items you have will help you better make a plan of action and figure out how much storage you need. 2. Set realistic goals. Once you've identified what needs organizing, set realistic goals for yourself that can be accomplished within your set budget and time frame. Establishing achievable objectives will keep you stay motivated as you work towards creating a tidy home. It's okay to start small. Instead of aiming to organize your entire home in one day, break it up into smaller tasks that can be done over a longer period of time, such as organizing a single section of your bedroom. 3. Create categories. Organizing can feel like a never-ending task if there's no sense of order or structure when sorting through items. Divide items into categories like clothing, books, or office supplies to help simplify the process and ensure that all categories are taken care of and nothing gets misplaced. This will also help maximize space usage while keeping everything in its rightful place. You'll be able to find exactly what you need every time. 4. Sort and discard. The keep, store, toss, or donate method is a great way to sort through all your items one by one and determine what should stay, be put in storage, or given away. By making this decision for each item, you will be reducing the amount of clutter that you've accumulated in your home, while passing it forward so that others might find a better use for it. It's truly a win-win. To do this easily, first sort your items into categories, then decide which ones should be kept, stored, or given away. 5. Designate zones. Once you know which items go in which room, designate smaller zones within that space for specific day-to-day activities. For instance, you might designate an area in the kitchen specifically for cooking prep or laundry folding. If extra space is hard to come by, designate different times of the day or week for specific activities to make sure everything gets done. 6. Invest in storage containers. Storage solutions like bins, baskets, and boxes come in various sizes and shapes that are perfect for just about any lifestyle and aesthetic needs. To choose the best ones for your home, consider factors such as size, shape, material, and moisture resistance when shopping for them. Transparent containers help you find exactly what you're looking for, while regular plastic ones keep clutter out of sight. Containers are also a great way to keep dust and dirt away from your belongings and help keep things neat and tidy. 7. Label everything. Labeling containers or drawers might seem tedious at first, but will save you time in the long run and avoid confusion when it comes to putting items back in their rightful place. When every container and drawer is labeled, you'll know right away where each item belongs, and so it'll never get misplaced. If you have a big home, invest in a label maker, or you can even make them yourself with some scrap paper, tape, and markers. 8. Utilize vertical space. Using vertical space is one of the best ways to add more storage to your home. There are plenty of options available to help you do this. Wall organizers, over-the-door hooks, and shelving units are all solutions that keep items off the ground. This method will maximize any space constraints you may have, while also keeping items nicely sorted for easy access. For example, hang a wire basket on the front door for mail and house keys, or a pole behind a closet door to hang home cleaning products. 9. Place items at arm level. Position frequently used items at arm level so that they're easily accessible when needed. For less often used items like seasonal clothing, store them higher up out of sight, but ensure they're still easy to reach when necessary. Doing this will help you find exactly what you're looking for quickly and easily, while also making the whole organizing process a breeze because you know where each item should go. 10. Group like items together. Group similar items together by type or purpose for easier access and less clutter. For instance, you might group all office supplies together in one spot and food or snacks in another. You can also use baskets or boxes to contain these items and further reduce visual clutter. Grouping items will help create a sense of direction when it comes to tidying up and make locating items much easier. 11. Limit unnecessary decorations. When it comes to decorations and knickknacks for your home, less is more. A beautiful, stylish home can be achieved with just a few decorative objects. Too many will add unnecessary clutter and make surfaces more difficult to clean. Some well-placed items will help make your space feel more open and inviting for both you and your guests, and you'll never be overwhelmed by too many items and clutter. 12. Put away clean clothes immediately. Developing a routine of putting fresh laundry away immediately after the dryer will save you time in the long run and ensure that areas of your home stay clean and organized. Laundry that hasn't been put away tends to pile up, so sort items into their respective drawers or shelves and make sure you don't leave anything behind. Then, keep any clothes that need mending together so they are easy to find, and hang up any garments that require it. 13. Regular maintenance is key. Organizing your home can become a stressful task if you don't maintain it regularly. And after all, a bit of maintenance day-to-day is easier than all-out organization. Spend a few minutes each day tidying up and maintaining your organization system, and you're on your way to long-term success. Keeping a regular cleaning and tidying schedule can also help you stay on track and make it easier to maintain your home's cleanliness and organization system. 14. Create habits for children. A household with children can take a lot of work. Children can get messy and dirty, and so to combat this, help children cultivate habits that will help them stay organized. For instance, establish a daily routine where they put away their toys when playtime is over, or encourage them to hang up their coats properly or put their shoes away upon entering the house. By having set rules and habits and helping children stick to them, you can keep your home neat and tidy, even with little ones living in it. 15. Make cleaning easier. It's safe to say that most people don't enjoy cleaning, but you can make the job easier by investing in multi-purpose cleaning products. Opt for all-in-one cleaning products that you can take from one room to the next, helping you tackle multiple areas of the house. This way, not only are you reducing the number of items in your home, cleaning becomes a less tedious task too. 16. Buy multi-purpose furniture. If you're short on space but still want your home to look stylish, then multi-purpose furniture is the way to go. Think convertible sofas, wall bed systems, and modular shelving units, all of which offer plenty of storage and multiple functions without taking up too much space. Well-designed furniture pieces can save you valuable square footage, but also offer a lot of flexibility when it comes to rearranging your furniture or adding new pieces to custom fit your small spaces. 17. Set up an inbox area. An inbox area is a useful tool to house all incoming mail and papers that need to be sorted through at the end of the day or week. Keeping documents and letters that get delivered to your home in a designated area will help keep clutter from piling up and make sorting through papers a breezy process. This way, you won't forget about important documents or lose them in the shuffle of everyday life. You can also use this area as a place to store items that need to be returned or sent out. 18. Try digital solutions. As the world gets more and more digitized, many of us are moving away from hard document copies. Instead of keeping a filing cabinet full of paper documents, take advantage of digital solutions such as cloud storage and scan documents to reduce clutter in your home office and beyond. If you have a stack of magazines or books that you've been meaning to read but haven't gotten around to yet, consider taking advantage of digital subscription services so that those bulky items don't become permanent fixtures on your shelves or coffee table. 19. Schedule regular decluttering sessions. Clutter accumulates quickly over time, so much so that we often don't even notice it happening until our homes are overrun with stuff. To stay on top of the mess that can creep up on us over time, schedule regular decluttering sessions throughout the year, or at least once every 3 months. During these sessions, go through each room in your house and discard any items that no longer serve a purpose or bring joy into your life. Donate them if possible, and enjoy your clutter-free space. 20. Reward yourself. Take some time after a good cleaning and decluttering session to celebrate your success. A little reward is a good way to congratulate yourself for a job well done. Schedule something special like a movie night or dinner out with friends, or binge watch your favorite TV show in your neat living room. You deserve it after all the hard work you put into organizing your home. And that's all for now. The key to home organization is to take small steps and stay consistent. Whether it's making a list of projects or setting aside time in your schedule, committing to organized living can help turn chaos into calm. Try out the tips we've discussed today, and you'll be one step closer to reaching your organizational goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next videos.